Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to crossblogX TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Drop your comment down below. And please don't forget to always check your notification button for all our news updates. And always check your notification button. And please don't forget to always drop your comments as well. Yes, today's update is about my king, Oba Ooni of Ife, Oba Ojaja II, Baba Tadenikawo. Few weeks ago, his eldest brother got married, Prince Adetunji. Yes, he got married to this beautiful damsel. Yes, and I'm gonna in this video you can see all the Oloris of Oba Ogunwusi Ojaja II. Wow, they all came out, wow, to celebrate Oba Ogunwusi's eldest brother's wife. Wow, I really love that. That shows that the king is doing well for himself and for his wife as well. So this is a proof that all the Oloris, they all know that yes, regardless that we have the same man, we are one, and we have to let love and peace reign. And that is what I love about them. Please drop a comment down below what you think. And you can see as the wife is, you can see the bride. Wow, she's really beautiful, you know, with ashoke, lemon ashoke. Wow, beautiful smile. You can see all the Oloris behind her supporting her. Wow, I love that. Hey, hope say no be say our king now, Oba Ojaja II Oba Ogunwusi, is trying to tread on the path of our late Oba, our late Oba Alaafin for your style, because we all know that when Oba Alaafin for your Oba Lamidi, when he's going out, he is always out with all his beautiful Oloris. They're always gorgeously dressed, you know, happy, glowing. So I'm sure now that our king is trying to do that now. And I'm happy to see this, so to be honest. And it's like everything that we've been saying online, all these online in-laws, analysis, Baba Oba Ogunwusi is putting it to action, because we all know that before it's only one Olori we'll see beside him. Now every one of them came out. We can see our Olori Miriam Manako, Olori Temitope Ronke, you know, they are all there. I'm really happy to see this. What do you guys think? Please drop a comment down below. It must have been a very beautiful day for them. At least everybody came out to be happy. See them, see my Olori Miriam Manako, gorgeously dressed. You know, I just like her. She's calm, just walking gently, you know. Even the Ronke too, trying to spray the latest Olori. That's the prince newest wife, Prince Adetunji. That's Oba Ooni of Ife's eldest brother. See them, they are happy. You know, if the palace is like this, there won't be problem. You know, when all the Olori comes together, no gbasgbos, no violence. You know, or even Oba Ooni of Ife go ma pẹ́ lórí ìtẹ́, because too much problem is not good. Oh man, dies on Sarah. Please drop a comment. What do you think? Kini, what's your take on this? For this thing we saw, even see the Ademuluyi. She too, she loves wearing and adire. I'm sure we all know that she's an African woman. She's into African attires, and she likes to promote it day and day, every time. Even anytime she dresses, she promotes it, and I'm happy. Everybody's happy. They're looking good. They're looking radiant. So that shows that the palace is peaceful. Yes, and that is what we pray for. You can see Ronke sitting beside Ademuluyi. That shows that the love is there, and that is what we want. Yes, see, and their dad is there as well. Obogunwusi's his dad, his mom, and the latest bride is sitting in the middle of them. Wow. Oh my god, this video is so beautiful. This is what we want to see. Yes, this is what we want to see. The marriage was old in November 28th. Yes, and it was good. Everyone is happy. Wow, Oba Ogunwusi, Baba Oba, hey, all these your handsome men that you have, gbogbo wọn lọ́kàn hijack gbogbo beautiful ladies, successful ladies in the society. So what is going to be left for the other men? Wow, that's just a joke. What do you think? Drop your comment down below, because Meloluwawi, so kò sí wàhálà, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ máa ṣe melo. Yes, please drop your comment. What do you think? I love this Ronke. I just like them. See the way they are sitting beside each other. Kò come mọ́ra wọn lójú. So which is good. That is what we want from the palace. That's what we want from the palace. But so please, so drop a comment on this thing I want to ask. My question is, where is Ashley? Where is Opoluwa? We can't find them there. Is it that pé wọ́n kàn choose àwọn àgbààgbà olórí? Àgbààgbà olórí that I meant is like is not pé bó ṣe fẹ́ wọn. Àwọn tó dàgbà nu wọn, because we all know Miriam is not a young lady. She's matured. We all know that Ronke Olumuluyi too. Ademuluyi, she's matured. We all know the other Ronke too, that one too is matured. Yeah, so what is going on? Kilo Shele, where are the other Oloris? Well, no problem. I'm happy to see these ones that we see. At least these ones, yeah, one sharp, they are together, happy, celebrating, which that's what we want. Maybe the other Olori are busy, maybe they went to another event. Yeah, maybe they went for another event, but come to think of it, if truly Ooni of Ife want to tread on Oba Lamidi, late Oba late Oba Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́'s way, yeah, gbogbo àwọn olórí ló máa ń jáde, and they always wearing the same thing. But in Ooni's case, they don't have to wear the same thing. But is it that Ooni is segregating them that way? The richest oloris will go out with him on the party, and the other younger ones that they are coming up, they are going to be at home. That's not fair. To me, we are just talking. Please drop a comment down below. Kile feel. What do you think? Because we only saw this top oloris there, and we all know that after Miriam, lọ́fẹ́ and we all know that it was after Miriam, ká bá ní pé wọ́n fẹ́ wò ní bó ṣe fẹ́ wọn sáàfin, because bó ṣe máa ń wo ìyàwó àgbà sí kékeré nìyẹn, yeah, ká má wo age. It was after Miriam and Ako, they got married to Toby Phillips. It was after Toby Phillips they married Ashley. It was after Ashley this other Ronke came in, and the other at least after Miriam and Ako, it was after Miriam Manako, it was Akimuda. After Akimuda was Toby Phillips. After then, it was now Ashley. Then after Ashley, then the other Ronkes came in. So what I'm saying now is, Ibola won't say. I don't understand. Oba shouldn't be partial. Please, let's treat all of them equally. And I've never even seen these other Oloris coming out with Ooni of Ife. Is it that they are just warming the bed in the palace? Anyway, drop a comment down below. What do you think? Please drop a comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And thank you so much from crossblogX TV for your positive comment and negative comment. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. God bless.